What's up, VariantTCG here, and today we're going to be popping open a box of 1.5. I'm really hoping to pull some Imperial Dramons. I'm a big fan of the Evolution line. Maybe some Altarts, IMB, and Emma's really hoping for those Mastiamons. So we're hoping to do popping a box of these a day up into the day of BT8 coming up. So once again, for those videos of BT8, they're coming up. And we've recently been approved for Whatnot, so please follow us on Whatnot and catch us over there for some sales coming up for the BT8 format. So now, without further ado, let's pop open this box. And our box topper is Flymon. We're going to be keeping these. You'll probably be seeing these on our What's Not. So if you guys join us, you'll find these there. Alright, so let's do this. So we have Argomon, Arctic Blizzard, Psychemon, Zucamon. Give me a quick second, guys. So we can get this camera to focus. There we go. Now we have Yugioh, Hawkmon, Digimon, Zudomon. We have to stop the fighting, Demivimon, Scrapclaw, and Mastamon. Nice. Pack one, and we'll pull the super. So, Jomon, Positron, Shamanmon. We have Argomon, Holy Wave, Zmon, Gardramon, Hidden Potential, Bastamon, Demivimon, Etamon, and our second card will be Metal Omnimon. Alright, not bad. Alright, let's open up the next one. You guys hear a hippo in the background? That's the shop method. Alright guys, let me get this a little closer for you guys to see. We have Aquilamon, we have Patamon, Candamon, Kurimon. Sorry for the setting camera angles there. I'm a little hyper active about these. Commandramon, Howling Crusher, Angelomon, Psychemon, Gatomon, Kakimon, Yugioh, and finally Mini Tachikawa, purple. Okay. Digimon. Oh, we pulled two, but oh well. Kunimon, Raptormon. We got Necrophobia, Tylutamon, Betamon, Black Gatomon, Lopmon, Poromon, Phoenixmon, and Charismon. It's not bad, guys. I remember when I opened the first box of 1.0s about a year ago now. Oh, it was so nice to get those Crestmon. Scomaramon, Rainpaw, Terriermon, Dokugumon, Antilamon, Argomon. We have Beast Cyclone, Bancho Stingmon, Goldramon, Gold Cracking, Peximon, and finally Joe Kiddo. Oh, not bad. Alright, so we're going to start powering through the rest of this box. We have Metal Greymon and Pyodramon. Not bad. Let's jump over to the left side, maybe get some heat on the side. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, we'll do the Pokemon then. So we got Rina Shinomiya, and then we have Rise Greymon. Not bad. Remember when the game first came out, these were so expensive. They were like $10 rares at one point. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Now you can get foils, you can get tournament rare foils. You can get them from the special promotion packs where they were giving you two from the 1.0 packs and then 2 from the 1.5. So let's do this again. Oh, we got an egg. So we have Glorious Burst, such a powerful card, and Salamon. Not bad. Can we get an Ultra? Can we get Omnimon Ultra? I have 1 copy and need 3 more. So let's do the 1, 2, 3. Get rid of this. So we have Digimon, Sylphimon, and Mega Gargomon. I think this is already a full-blown foil for the 1-year anniversary. Alright. Come on, children. Oop, maybe something there. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of that memory card. Hidden Potential, so broken. Can't believe it's to 1. Technically should be banned in my opinion, but give me Tachikawa and Pyodramon. Not the one we're looking for, but not bad. Might be able to replace my beat up ones. We played with them for so long. We got M over here trying to throw away the Pyodramon, trying to keep it for myself. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and an egg. Alright, so we have Clavis, Breath of the Gods, and Dark Despair. Be a broken deck soon. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and another egg. Oh, that's like our 3rd Vmon. Now, Bastimon, we have Stingmon, and there you go, the Altar, Crescarumon. So nice. Look at that, everybody. Here it focuses. I officially haven't even started watching Digimon New Adventure, the 2021. But wow. This looks great. Alright. We got the egg. Digimon, for all you Guillemon fans, and then Cross Freezer, and we have the Random. My first actual deck, Ragnarormon. And I played the red variant. I wasn't trying to hide under all those blockers. Right. But maybe I should have. Alright guys, so we have Lopmon, Pyodramon, and... Oh, look at that! My second one. Look at that, guys. So, funny story. When we started playing the game, we used to crack these boxes, and when we pulled these money cards or the chase cards, we used to sell them back to whatever shop would take them and keep buying boxes just so that we can play and get into the game. At this point, we're finally able to crack boxes and be able to keep some of these. And this is our second one we can keep. But Em has such great luck. She actually originally pulled maybe two of the alternate arts, and we sold them so quick. But wow, this is a nice add for the collection. Alright, hopefully we get a God box here. We can pull a second alternate art or secret. It's happened to us before. Why not again? Okay, so our egg is Demimaramon. And we have Chris Karuma, the regular foil. Not bad. Alright guys, so 1, 2, 3. We have Valkyremon, Drylutamon, and Cherubiumon, untainted form. Oh, another egg. So this egg is Kakimon. Alright, so let's see. Gururumon. Then we have Bergamon, Lady Devimon, and next is Angelmon. Wow, look at that. Back to back. Pretty cool. Oh, I think we hit something on this one. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so our Digitama is Demivimon. Then we have Warmon. And next, Grand Kawagamon. Not bad. Coming into the last couple of packs here. So, oops. Oh, Butterfingers. Alright guys. We have Upamon. We have Testament, and we have Ophanimon. Not bad. What's the next one that's coming out? I think it's Ophanimon Fallen Mode? Pretty good deck. Alright guys. Ooh,
If money can't buy happiness, I would like...
Well, wow. Thanks, M. Money can't buy happiness. Well, it sure can buy a bunch of Digimon cards. Okay, Minomon. We got Digimon. We have Victory, Funimon, and the last one will be Blitzgreymon. Not bad. I might finally keep a playset of these. Nyamon. We have Argomon. Bergamon. Ooh, Davis Moromiya. Jesus Christ, with my pronunciation. Such a great card. I cannot wait for BT8. And then the starter decks after BT8 are finally going to give us a full art texture foil. We'll guarantee one per box. Buy 4 boxes. Get your playset, guys. And Shikakumon. He's going to have a broken form in BT8. I think it's like DDT Ball, or basically Shikakumon 1.0 don't let your opponent play. No, this is almost becoming Yu-Gi-Oh at that point. Which we actually had the first instance of like Digimon deck that wouldn't let people play with the blue hybrid. Just, what you wanted to do? Oh, cool, let me just freeze you. Alright, so we have Upamon, Terriermon, Dedicated Plan, we have Dino Vmon, and Brave Shield. This is such a nice card. I actually ended up buying the alt arts of this card. Phenomenal art. Alright, so get rid of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Erdramon, Eden's Javelin, we have Metal Myotismon, and what is that? Super Shine Greymon. Not bad. Funny story. Am really wanted this deck. We really wanted to get our playset of the alt arts, but at that time we were looking at like a $300 drop, and it was pretty much an incomplete deck at that point. Great thing we're waiting around. Hopefully we can get them. So. Alright, final pack. Let's see. Can we crack another Davis at least? Alright, so let's see. Yeah. We'll do the whole set of those cards. We have Cherry Blast. We have Magna Angemon, Antilamon, Duramon, Leopardmon, Penguinmon, Garudamon, and Killamon, Greymon, Argomon, which is our Digi-Egg, Phoenixmon, and finally, Vmon. That's not bad rare. Jamming. For a rookie, not bad. Alright guys. Let me just clean up this area really quick and give you guys a quick summary of our cards for today's pull. Alright, so we've got, first we'll do Digi-Eggs, because even though people think those are not important, they're very important. Argo, Upa, Naya, Minomon, Demon, Kakimon, Demimera, Digimon, Demi, Argo, Demimera, Demi-Vmon, and Demi-Vmon. Way better Demi-Vmon, by the way. That's why there's only one. Okay, so this is it for our egg. Our rares are all right here, minus the Davis, because that's such a nice card. We're actually going to put it off to the side. You can find that one on there, and any of these cards in our TCG player account. Now, for the meat and potatoes, as I like to say, we have all these beauties. Look at that. More importantly, oh bam! Those two. Alright guys, well thank you for joining us tonight, or this morning, whatever time it is for you guys right now, and we'll see you again next day. This is VariantTCG signing out, guys.